Well, super great having you guys here today, and it's really great to have a video for you today. Today we're going to do some cash out from our money making app Robox. So yes guys, so the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to try and log in our account. So yes guys, so guys, I just tried to log in my Roblox account and it says that my account was blocked. So what we're going to do for now, we're going to leave this account and we're going to go back into our Roblox app, and then we're going to go to our Roblox Fit. Since the Roblox app has been blocked, what I have to do is either create another account or some are delete that basically app. So yes guys, so want to mention to you guys that when it comes to the Roblox money making apps, there are 3 of them that I personally was using. Now I only have around 2 because one of them as well is black, as you guys just see. So yeah, so we're in the Roblox Fit and just want to share with you guys the update. So on the top of the screen you can see that we have like a coin where it's blue, and it basically says collect points, send them to boost for boost, right? So just to keep that into consideration, get points by playing games, taking surveys, and completing tasks, exchange them for boost. So we're gonna just give you that. You can see my account as of right now. My account is sitting at 19 Roblox token. So yes guys, we're not gonna count the digit after the second decimal place. So yes guys, so right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and share to you guys the overall app. So right now I am on the home page, and this is how the home page looks. This is where you can go straight from earning. They have a referral link, so I'll leave that link in the description for you. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and click the link, make your very own account. So yeah, they have like all the cash out that I have been doing. And how you earn on the Roblox Fit is by completing steps. So just by you completing steps, you have to log in your account to just refresh the page so that your steps can be calculated. So just to keep that into consideration, yeah guys. And you have to be using the money making app in order for the steps to be completed. So of course I've done cash out before. The minimum to cash out is 0.01 0.1 Roblox in order for you to cash out, just to keep that into consideration. So yes, so the next thing I want to share with you guys is basically just where you can go ahead and actually start your mining if you're interested in mining like passively with this account. So yes guys, we're not going to do that right now because it's going to take up some time. So yeah, now we're going to get into the plan. So personally I am using the free plan, right? I'm subscribed to the free plan, and if you're interested you can go ahead and go with any purchase that you would like. So just to keep that into consideration guys. But as for me personally, they have a free version, and that's the version that I am working with at the moment. So just to keep that into consideration. So yes guys, and I said before, just by you completing survey and doing steps and so on, you can go ahead and increase your plan. And then after that we have the menu page where you're able to go ahead and change the language. You can put in password, and basically you can get your notification, and you can choose if you want a dark screen, or you can choose from a dark screen to a lighter screen if you're interested in that. If that makes the app look better to you, you can choose the light one. So yes, I just go with the one that the system give me, so just to keep that into consideration. Or maybe I choose a dark theme. Yeah, the dark theme. So you can choose any theme that you like. So yes guys, so after I have shared with you guys all of this, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the cash out section and I'm gonna take out some earnings from my account. So this is the wallet section, right? And you can see that in the wallet section you're able to take out Solana if you're interested in taking out. Let's say you want to take out to your Binance account. So these are the options. You can take out to your NC wallet, and that's the minimum you can take out on the right hand of the screen. The Solana wallet, you can take out your Binance Smart Chain or your Polygon network, and you can see how much you'll basically need. For me personally, I will be taking out to my NC wallet. The reason being I don't have enough, but of course I will try to take out take out to other account. So yes guys, all you have to do is connect your wallet, and I'm going to do videos on that. I have done videos on that, but if you want to know how to connect your wallet, I'm going to do videos like that to share with you guys. So yeah, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and cash out our earnings. So yes guys, so we want to cash out to our end. So as you guys can see, it was successful. They asked me to create a pin, but I'll just say later. And you can see the payment is processing, but of course you see that the payment has been sent. And remember guys, we are on the Roblox Fit account. Now since my account is empty, I'm gonna share with you guys how you're able to start your account and get it earning again. So you want to press the button that says more. How we're going to start mining to earn more. You're going to press the earn more button. Once you press the earn more button, you're going to press continue. After pressing continue, you're going to wait a moment. I think it's 5 to something second, right? 5 to 25 seconds. And then after that, they're gonna like pull up the page, and then we're gonna get started. It's gonna start up, and then you can see that you are earning. So again, this is basically how it's done. So yes guys, so there you are. After refreshing my page, there you are. You can see how you're started to earn, right? And they're basically saying there is no energy because I haven't walking. By walking you can increase your boots or your steps. So yes guys, and just by doing this, then you're gonna able to earn more, and then you're able to cash out. So we're gonna do the drop down, so you can see that we have start earning on a 1x speed, and we have cashed out, and our transaction has been completed from our Roblox Fit account. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna edit this video, and then I'm gonna share it to you guys, and then the next video I'll be doing, I will be explaining to you guys about the Roblox Relax, right? Because remember I told you I have been banned from the Roblox account, and I did go ahead and share with you guys what has been going on in my Roblox Fit. Now I'm going to share with you guys what is going on in my Roblox Relax account. So before I go, I want to say thank you guys for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.